Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce my name is Vegetarina Agustin with name 210321100002 from class A. In the final exam of this semester, I will explain the commodity of chili herbs. I live in Situbondo. In Situbondo, there are herbal chili plants and cannot be plants. Therefore, I took a case study of the chili herbal agribusiness subsystem in Sumeneb Regency. Before continuing to the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sumeneb Regency is one of the areas in Madura. Madura is an archipelago in East Java province. Chili herbs or Piper Retrophyllum val is a plant that can grow in places with extreme weather such as Madura Island. Chili herbs in Madura in general is only used as family saving, which is usually sold to meet the daily needs of a family. Herbal chili plants have many benefits, including being able to treat asthma, stomach cramp, impotence, bacterial infection, fever, and colds. Land from chili herbs. Sumeneb Regency conduct herbal chili farming activities in its shared and on dry land, with the condition of the land which is a lowland with a maximum height of 175 meters above sea level in Buto district. Sumeneb Regency, it has great potential in development of herbal chili plants. Nurseries. For nurseries and how to grow chili herbs both in Sumeneb Regency, they do their breeding as usual, namely through generative or using seed, either from self-cultivation or through buying seed and shop or other farmers, which are then planted in polybag. After that, doing maintenance well, but the generative process takes a long time, namely 1.5 to 2. Next is through vegetative or using stem cutting, which is a fast way of seeding. The method is to take two segments of productive Japanese chili plants and have at least 1 to 2 root shoots attached to the substrate of the host plant. Make sure the segment of the stem that will be used as a seed is not too old and young enough to make it better. After the segment of the stem to be taken for seed cutting, then douse with water until it looks fresh. Store the cuttings in a cool place overnight, and the next day the cutting can be planted in polybag. Planting. In Sumeneb Regency, the first planting is done by transferring seed that are ready in the morning or evening when the air condition is not as hot as during the day. This needs to be considered because the transparent plant seeds are still very susceptible to damage. For how to transfer the seed, it is also done by watering the polybags with water first and then transferring them. In the case of transfer, the seeds are not removed from the polybag. Instead, it's planted with the soil in the polybag. This is because the roots of the seedling that have grown split into the soil are very susceptible to damage if the seed removed. Therefore, it moving is highly recommended. Prior to that, making planting holes in the land where the seed will be planted must also be done before the transfer is carried out. Seedlings that have been successfully transferred should not be exposed to direct sunlight. That is why the transfer of seedlings should be done in the morning or evening before or after the sun is shining. To avoid exposure to seed from direct sunlight, seedling must be set with a cover which is usually a leaf or banana mid-leaf for 7 days. After this transfer period, watering is done 2 times a day, morning and evening. A good time for how to plant Japanese chili is at the beginning of the rainy season. This is because the sun is not too hot. When it shines, the humidity is maintained, and the plant seeds are not short of water supply, only leading to watch out for weeds, which grow faster in the rainy season than during the dry season. Fertilization. In Sumenep Regency, fertilizer for chili herbs is given by giving 5 kg manure with 75 gram urea or 15 manure with 15 gram urea increase the growth of favorite or productive herbal chili plants in the production center of Sumenep, Madura. The application of manure alone as much as 15 kg milk can increase the production of fresh fruit chili herbs. Harvesting. Herbal chilies are harvested when the chili is red, usually when the age of the plants has reached 1 to 1.5 years. Processing. Usually after harvest, the herbal chilies are dried in the sun until they are completely dry and processed into herbs or traditional medicine that can treat several diseases. For food agricultural, chili herbs are only processed as traditional medicine. Chili herbs is a kind of spinach plant as a medicinal herbs for herb. As for non-food agriculture, you can sell seeds from herbal chili plants. How to make herbal chili plant seeds can be done in a generative or vegetative way. For the explanation, as I explained earlier in the sub-nursery. Marketing. Most of the herbal chili farmers in Sumenep Regency sell their harvest directly to middlemen. According to local community, chili herbs can only be harvested 2 to 3 times for one tree, after which the tree will rot and die. This is because Madura soil is barren and dry. Some areas also have calcareous soil which is difficult to plant, especially during the dry season. However, there are also farmers in Sumenep Regency who are expanding their marketing, selling herbal chili plants to several companies such as factories that make herbal chili coffee. Existing condition in Sumenep. This commodity is also classified as having a high economic value. This is evidenced by the demand for export to Singapore, Hong Kong, and India. Sumenep Regency is one of the largest herbal chili producing areas in East Java. According to the Central Bureau of Statistics of East Java 2018 years, the production of herbal chilies in Sumenep Regency, which reached 10 tons with a productivity of 4 kg by hectare, with the large herbal chili producing district being Bluto district, so that its production potential is not achieved. Sumenep Regency had the opportunity as a place for the development of herbal chili plants in terms of resource and soil conditions that are very suitable for the growth of herbal chili plants. Based on data from the Forestry and Plantation Service of Sumenep Regency, 2015 years Bluto district is a center for producing herbal chilies in Sumenep Regency. The production of herbal chilies in Bluto district has increased from 2011 to 2015. However, the productivity of herbal chilies tends to stagnate during this period and even decreased in 2016 years. Communities in Sumenep Regency use chili herbs as an economic value or for sale as much as 58% to help meet community needs. As traditional medicine 37% to treat herbs called low blood pressure and to clean the uterus after childbirth. In addition, as food 1% in the form of a mixture for herbs and drink as much fence plant for as divider 4%. The potential. Chili herbs or Piper rectofractum val is a plant that can grow in places that have extreme winter, such as Madura Island. Chili herbs in Madura in general is only used as family saving, which is usually sold to meet the daily needs of a family. The herbal chili plant has many benefits including being able to treat asthma, stomach cramps, impotence, bacterial infection, fever, and colds. Chili pepper is a leading commodity that is often exported abroad. Sumenep Regency has the opportunity as a place for the development of herbal chili plants in terms of resource and soil conditions that are very suitable for the growth of herbal chili plants. The soil in Sumeneb Regency is loose and not too dry, so this land is suitable for planting chili herbs. At first, this plant was not cultivated intensively, then it developed rapidly after several health benefits were found, including 1. The Simplicia contains 0.9% essential oil, which is widely used as an ingredient in traditional medicine or herbal medicine, modern medicine, and the beverage industry. Piperine content of 46% is used to give brand and sweet taste and can also be used as an anesthetic. 2. As an external medicine, it can be used for stomach, colds, beriberi, and rheumatism. 3. As an internal medicine, it can be used for the treatment of low blood pressure, cholera, influenza, headache, impotence, bronchitis, and shortness of breath. 4. The root is used for tooth medicine. 5. The leaves are built for. In addition, according to apart from being an analgesic, Japanese chili produce also has the potential as an anti-cancer. Sumeneb problems. Climate is one of the factors that affect the growth and productivity of herbal chili plants in Sumeneb Regency. Productivity in Sumeneb Regency has also decreased. This is due to lack of knowledge of Sumeneb community. They sell their chili herbs harvest directly when they harvest and sell directly to middlemen. According to the local community, chili herbs can only be harvested 2 to 3 times for one tree, after which the tree will rot indeed. This is because Madura soil is barren and dry. Some areas also have calcareous soil, which is difficult to plant, especially during the dry season. Also, the water content in the soil is very little or very below the soil. In addition, there are problems for the farmers' side, namely the lack of understanding of farmers about the money market, players involved in distributing product along marketing channels will cause inefficient marketing mechanism. A common problem in chili herbal farming is that there are not many people who cultivate this plant intensively. In addition, the cultivation of chili herbs is not supported by good cultivation techniques. The availability of water in the dry season is very less, so that the plant of chili herb often dies when there is not enough water. The processing of herbal chili product is very minimal. The farmer's habit is usually after it is harvested, boiled and dry in the sun, then sold or stored. Solution: increasing knowledge about the benefits of herbal chili peppers. It expects to increase the distribution of the herbal chili plants population, and examine how the public perception of the utilization aspect and the morphological character of the herbal chili plant in Sumeneb Regency, Madura. Therefore, it is very important to study the potential use of herbal chilies in the community, especially knowledge of the benefits not only as a source of income but also as a potential source of traditional medicine. More detailed climate information is needed from several decades with monthly average values with distribution patterns. Throughout the year, to predict crop performance, farmers need daily weather information, for example using the BMKG Info application, AccuWeather, Platinum, Weather Underground, and ETH. The existence of farmer groups in Sumeneb Regency is also able to solve the problem of herbal chili productivity. In the activities of farmer groups in Sumeneb, PPL is also assisted. PPL is here as a resource person to provide an explanation about the cultivation of chili plants. Farmers in Sumeneb Regency are also expanding their marketing, selling herbal chili plants to several companies such as factories that make herbal chili coffee. Farmers improve production technology and quality control capabilities in producing herbal chilies. Improvement of production technology capabilities and quality control is carried out by conducting experiments by farmer representative on the cultivation of herbal chilies according to technology recommendation on a small scale so that after farmers can imitate the applied technology. In addition, they also standardize the quality of herbal chilies so that the product remains trusted by consumer. Drainage improvement should also be met. The maximum drying process is needed if the herbal chili is still to be stored or will be processed for a long time. The prospect of developing traditional herbal medicine agro-industry based on herbal medicine is optimistic to be carried out in the future. Agro-industry development has very big expectations, policies and regulation. Sumeneb in Sumeneb district in the exciting policy by the government is that there are local agricultural institutions that are still running by paying attention to local farmers, providing guidance and counseling to develop agriculture, and coaching and counseling for agricultural business development, providing assistance to agricultural production facilities and make improvement in terms of resource management or human water land SDG. That is all explanation about herbal chili from me. We apologize as much as possible if there is a mistake in words or attitudes to the audience. Many thanks to the audience who listen to the end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.